Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the top left corner. Following that, before adding your alarm, click on those three dots at the top right one. Select Settings and manage all of those under Alarms however you wish though. Like for example, Snooze. When you are done, go back to the same alarm section, and to create your own, click on this plus at the bottom. Now you can finally set up an hour and hit OK in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. Now to customize it, tap on Repeat and click on days of the week that you wish to exclude. So I will stay with Monday and maybe Friday. Following that, tap on this little bell. Select one of those sound sources or choose Dismiss. Now you can tap on YouTube Music or Spotify at the top and log in to your accounts to use music from them, or click on Sounds, click on Add New, and pick any song from your tablet by tapping on it. You can also just tap on one of those sounds and click on the back button. Now select Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully customized. You can switch it off completely by clicking on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you want to hide all of those settings, click on the bottom right corner, and to make them visible, tap on the same one. Lastly, to delete your alarm completely, just hit Delete at the bottom left corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!